Welcome to Health and Hygiene. Today, we'll be discussing how hormones influence the aging process. Hormones play a critical role in our bodies, affecting everything from metabolism to mood. As we age, hormonal changes can have significant impacts on our health and well-being. Let's explore how these changes occur and what we can do to manage them. First, let's understand the relationship between hormones and aging. Hormones are chemical messengers that regulate various functions in our bodies. Key hormones such as estrogen, testosterone, thyroid hormones, and growth hormones decline with age, leading to various physiological changes. Here are some common hormonal changes that occur as we age. 1. Estrogen and progesterone. In women, menopause leads to a significant drop in estrogen and progesterone levels, causing symptoms like hot flashes, mood swings, and an increased risk of osteoporosis and heart disease. 2. Testosterone. In men, testosterone levels gradually decline, leading to decreased muscle mass, lower libido, and changes in mood and energy levels. 3. Thyroid hormones. Thyroid function can decline with age, affecting metabolism, energy levels, and weight management. 4. Growth hormone. Reduced production of growth hormone can lead to decreased muscle mass, increased body fat, and thinning skin. Nutrition and lifestyle for hormonal balance. Maintaining a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle can help manage hormonal changes. Here are some tips. 1. Balanced diet. 2. Regular exercise. 3. Adequate sleep. 4. Stress management. Medical support and monitoring. Regular medical checkups are important for monitoring hormonal health. 1. Regular checkups. Visit your healthcare provider regularly to monitor hormone levels and overall health. 2. Hormone replacement therapy, or HRT. For some, HRT can help alleviate symptoms of hormonal decline, but it's important to discuss the benefits and risks with your doctor. 3. Supplements. Certain supplements may support hormonal health, such as vitamin D, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Conclusion. Understanding how hormones influence the aging process can help us take proactive steps to maintain our health and well-being. By following these tips on nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle, you can better manage hormonal changes and enjoy a healthier life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay healthy and take care.